Hello everyone, good day. So today we're going to discuss with my group mates about the ICT application and different sectors. So we have four sectors. First is education, second business, third healthcare, and the last is daily life. But we focus on healthcare. And before we proceed, let me introduce myself and my group mates. So I am Rosenda T. Espinosa. My group mate is Anami Castañares, Apple Grace Magadan, and Analisa Durango. How ICT is used different areas. Information and communication technology or ICT includes digital tools that help people work, learn, communicate, and manage data. It is widely used in healthcare. Below is a simple explanation of how ICT used in these areas, along with its benefits, challenges, and real-world examples. Specific ICT tools and technologies used in healthcare. First is electronic health records or EHR. These digital records allows healthcare providers to access and update patient information in real time, leading to better continuity of care. Telemedicine or telehealth enable remote consultation between patients and healthcare providers through video calls, online messaging, or phone calls, improving access, especially in rural areas. Wearable devices. Devices like the Apple Watch, Fitbit, and other medical-grade wearable track health metrics like heart rate, blood pressure, and glucose levels. Robotic surgery system. Tools like the Darren's surgical systems allows for minimally invasive surgeries, improving precision and reducing recovery time. IE and diagnostic. Artificial intelligence algorithm assess doctors in diagnosing disease, especially in imaging like CT scan and MRIs by recognizing patterns in medical images. Cloud computing. Cloud-based systems provide secure storage and sharing of medical records, making it easier for doctors and healthcare professionals to access patient data across different locations. And the last is mobile health apps such as MyChart or HealthTap help patient manage appointment, view test results, and communicate with healthcare providers.
So good day, ma'am. My name is Aname M. Castañares, and my topic is all about benefits and challenges of using ICT in healthcare. Benefits. Using ICT brings many advantages. 1. Improve access to healthcare. Telemedicine breaks down the geographical and economic barriers, allowing more people, especially those in rural or underserved areas, to access healthcare. Number 2. Better quality of care. EHRs ensure that patient information is available in real time, which helps medical professionals make informed decisions and avoid errors. Number 3. Cost savings. Automation, such as robotic surgery and IE diagnostics, can reduce healthcare costs by improving efficiency and reducing human error. Number 4. Better patient monitoring. Wearable devices and mobile apps allow for continuous monitoring of patients' health, providing early warnings of patient issues. Number 5. Collaboration and knowledge sharing. Cloud-based systems and telemedicine allow these different specialists to collaborate, diagnostic, and treatment plans.
Good morning everyone, I am Apple Grace M. Magadan. So today, aalamin natin ang challenges of using ICT in healthcare. Despite the benefits, ICT also has some difficulties. First, we have cybersecurity and data privacy. Healthcare data is highly sensitive and there is a risk of cyber attacks that could compromise patient privacy. High implementation cost. The cost of setting up advanced ICT system, including infrastructure and training, can be prohibitive, especially for smaller practices or healthcare facilities. Integration issues. Different healthcare providers might use different systems that don't always communicate well with other. Resistance to technology adoption. Some healthcare workers may resist using new technologies, either due to lack of training or replacing traditional methods. Last, we have health inequality. Not all patients have access to the necessary technology, which could lead to disparities in healthcare delivery, particularly for lower income individuals.
Number 2, real-world example or case studies. Here are some real cases where ICT is used successfully telemedicine in rural India. Example, Izan Jibani is an Indian government initiative aimed at offering telemedicine service to people in rural areas where healthcare access is limited. This program has successfully connected doctors with patients through video calls and other virtual tools, enabling timely consultation and follow-up care, all in cancer diagnosis. IBM Watson for oncology. Example, IBM Watson for oncology helps ecologists by analyzing medical literature, clinical trials data, and patients' medical records to recommend personalized cancer treatment. It assists doctors in making quicker evidence-based decisions and has shown impressive results in accurately identifying cancer diagnosis. Electronic health records. Veterans Health Administration USA. Example, the US Veterans Health Administration has implemented a nation EHR system that allows for seamless communication and data sharing across hospitals, improving care coordination and treatment outcomes for veterans. Wearable health tech Apple and Fitbit. Apple's Health and Fitbit have become popular for tracking virtual health data. For instance, Apple Watch ECG apps has been used to detect irregular heart rhythms and notify users of potential health issues, sometimes saving lives through early detection. Robotic surgery. Da Vinci Surgical System. The Da Vinci Surgical System is used in many hospitals for minimally invasive surgeries, offering more precious, smaller incisions and faster recovery times. It has been used for procedures like prostatectomy, hysterectomies, and heart valve surgeries. This real-world example shows the tangible impact ICT tools can have in